Hey everyone, my name's Mark, and today I'm going to practice hanging a bear bag.
We're gonna go for that branch right up there. First try. How about that? We will pop on the bag and we're going to pop on this side of the line. So we have a loop now. We'll hoist it up. Okay, and we just need to lock it in place with our toggle. Essentially it's got two little pop-in points. That's locked in now. Okay, that's at least 10 feet. I think so. So I think that's a good hang. It's kind of like what we say with hammocks, it's a good hang. To lower the bag, we first have to hoist it up and then undo the toggle. There we go. There goes the neighbor. And voila, we got our food bag. And disconnect everything. And then pull everything over that branch. Whoa! And we're good to go. We just need to wad up a hank of line here so we can tuck it away nicely in our food bag. So the days are counting down for when I start my AT thru hike. This is Saturday, and so another Saturday, and then the Wednesday after next Saturday is when I fly to Atlanta. Start my 5 million step trek. Okay, so now we've got we wrap this up a few times and tuck it away in the food bag, and we're good to go.
And thank you for watching.